Dear friends, session number 13, Reborn. If I travel through past, I can think of around 20 odd people in first attempt whom I have not contacted since over a period of 3 years or more. However, I may be connected to them through some social networking websites or some kind of a forward messages or something, but a one-to-one personal connection has not been established over a period of 2, 3, 4 years. I can list at least 15 to 20 people. I am damn sure about it. However, I may be aware that it is a deliberate thing at times, or at times it is missed. But what's the harm in connecting back? So this is where it takes to our topic called reborn. It is obvious that due to the change in jobs, business, locations, geography, the connection gradually decreases or diminishes. But we will make sure that today we all can rebond with our close friends. Okay, so the very feeling of the bond happening is also getting me some kind of excitement, or some kind of memories are coming up while thinking of those earlier days when I would have spent time with them very gracefully and very happily and peacefully. Connecting them may surprise them, connecting them back rather may surprise them, and on top of that, they might feel all the more happy that I took an effort, to approach them, and I have contacted them for no particular selfish reason whatsoever, or maybe nothing out of any curiosity or work. It's just out of my love for them I have communicated with them, and this gesture would certainly make them feel very much overwhelmed. And as rightly said, happiness multiplies when shared. This would make me feel happy and emotional too. Additionally, on contacting them, I will certainly encounter various things like surprises, knowledge, referrals, network, opportunities, and above all, a chance of again recreating a bond that can sustain for a time of entire life. With all those wonderful feelings in my heart right now, with all those wonderful feelings in my mind, today I would like to prepare a list of long time lost friends, colleagues, and connect with 3 people from that list. I am certain it would be a fantastic thing to do, and I would be discovering the treasure of bond in doing so. This brings us to the end of our chapter Reborn. Session 13 ends here. Thank you.